This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn on the mobile data saver option on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch Settings. Then enter the mobile data category over here, not the Bluetooth, mobile data. Then go for the mobile data options section, data mode, and simply select the low data mode from the list. And that will essentially mean that you have successfully switched on the cellular data saver feature on this device. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.